to make a gift box using paper. So here I have a rectangular paper and I'm going to cut it into a square shape. So to cut it into square shape, I will fold it to form a triangle in this way. Once I have my triangle folded, the remaining paper which is not folded, this part I will cut it off, and that gives me a proper square sheet. So once I have folded it on one side, I will fold it on the other side as well. Can you see the X mark? This is what is required after folding. Now I will take each pointed side of this paper and fold it inwards towards the center. I'll do it on all 4 pointed corners in this way. Once I've done folding it like this, inwards I will fold it into half, as you can see in the video. This I will be doing on both the sides. First this side and now the other side, like this. Once you have folded it well, open it up, and the same fold you will place on the other side in this way. Thereafter, when your fold is done, you will open up the paper. So it would look something like this. Open the paper in this way on one of the side, keeping the other side folded and double folded in this way. On the third line, I will place a fold inwards, and the triangle portion will go inside my box in this way to form the outer border. I will show you on the other side how it's done. Now here, same thing. I will take the third line, first, second, third line, and make a fold like this and flip over the top portion to let the triangle be inside the box. And this is what I have. The other one is of the same size, and all you have to do is place it on top, and this is your box, gift box. You can put anything inside it and gift it to anyone. You can make it for your personal use as well. You can write the name, add some flower, and it's all ready. Like this hack, then please do share it. Do leave in your comments, and for more interesting hacks, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new out here. I'll see you next time. Bye.